What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Davo coming to y'all boys with another YouTube video game. And in today's video, I will be finally giving y'all boys an update on my 2023 Hellcat Charger that got into a little altercation, man. Not a wreck, but a little altercation. And the vehicle is freaking damaged now. So if y'all new to the channel, this is my Shelby GC500. It replaced my ZL1 one at Lee. I don't know. Y'all could tell by that, and y'all could tell by that. The ZL1 one at Lee, it's gone. I don't gotta say that every video. But anyways, the Mercedes is ready to be loaded. I just gotta drop these seats. And yeah, y'all, so we finna go there right now. Cause I had to pick up the door that's to that Charger, because he was just explaining to me that he can't use that door for some reason. I don't know. He's just tripping about it, I think. No, I ain't even gonna say what I think he or he found out, but shoot, I just feel like bro, just grab the door, not worry about it. He could grab his own part. I don't care. I'm gonna just end it up selling the freaking door, man. But yeah, so we finna be on the way now. Finna get in that motherfucking Mercedes, and I'm gonna let y'all boys know when we get there, because y'all know your boy Davo on wait to 6 minutes, 5 minutes to get into the video, man. We finna get into the video right now for y'all boys, so y'all boys better stay tuned. All right, y'all, so we walking up to the car right now. Literally just arrived here. They still haven't touched. I already know they haven't touched nothing. Look, this car's literally got the same damage that it had, man. I don't know if I'm gonna have to get I'm gonna look at to get a new little fender flare. But yeah, I was thinking about just ripping both of these off on both sides, because I don't know how it's gonna look with just one of them on, because I'm gonna get the other one replaced, but I can't get it replaced for a whole month. So that's basically what he was explaining to me. Once he paint the new door, that I'm not gonna be able to. Then he was explaining to me too why it's taking so long, bro. My car been here for a freaking month, but somebody coming within an hour to grab these rims, bro, because they just now starting it, bro, because I just came, which I should have been came, but I ain't really care about the car at all. But he was just telling me that he go paint it from here. He go paint all of this door, and this whole side basically gonna be repainted, so everything blend in well. This car gonna be done in the next 3 days. No, not 3 days. He said the next 5 days. So by the end of this week, it's gonna be Friday. This car is gonna be complete, so I shouldn't have to worry about none of this at all. But I didn't even know that this damage was that bad, though. It ain't look that bad. Really, it looked like that the door could be repaired, kind of. But if you look at it from this angle, you could really see it. Y'all see that? Yeah, if you look from that angle, you could really see it, but still got all this BS, man. Nothing new. Make sure I think I really pretty much grabbed everything, you know. When I was here, what the fuck? Why is it a fuse right there? Oh my God, man. These motherfuckers. They probably jumped the car or something, but why is the fuse like that? These motherfuckers doing anything. Hold on, let me see what that fuse real quick. They obviously fucking with shit. Damn, I gotta figure out what fuse this is, though. Should definitely go somewhere. I don't really want to just put it anywhere. I don't know, but I think it go right there. I just don't want to really snap this motherfucker anywhere. But I think that's pretty much the only place that this joint could go. But I don't know. I'm gonna end up motherfucking figuring it out for my damn self. Do my little research. Or if y'all boys know, comment. But that shit was definitely 100% not like that. Like what they got going on, fucking bad. But he was just basically just explaining to me how he was go get both of them joints refurbished. He go pay me basically just for brand new rims. So I'm like, shoot, let's just do it like that, cause I ain't finna get brand new rims and do all of that. It's like that shit just don't make no sense really to get brand new rims. Like I might as well just fix these rims and then get that brand new money back to me type shit, if that makes sense to y'all. But this joint's still pretty. This is damaged. Was this door is still literally functional, bro? Literally. Everything looked pretty much lined up still. Not really too bad. But yeah though, y'all, so this is the update. We should have this car back Friday this week, so y'all gonna be seeing it back on the channel, man. It's just, man, just a whole, let me just pop the hood, because I know y'all haven't even seen this car in a minute, bro. I'm gonna pop the hood, because shit, they in there BSing. Then I gotta grab this door, one of my freaking doors. Yeah, cause y'all haven't seen this motherfucker in a minute, bro. I'm like, man, let me just do a quick little video, give y'all boys an update on this joint. Cause this motherfucker just been up here sitting, bro, for a whole month. It just been sitting. But let's go grab this door from the inside.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all, so we got this joint all loaded up. This motherfucker literally looked like it's been sitting for a whole month. But it is what it is, man. Came out of some money for this joint, so. But I ain't even go complain, man. I ain't even go trip about it. I'ma just do the route that he wanna go and just get whatever his ass wanna get. Cause shit, it ain't like that. I'm gonna be the one doing the work. But he was just basically explaining to me how this door was repainted. Like, I don't know if you could, if I do this, you would definitely be able to see it. On this black, if you could see, bro, that is not a reflection, bro. That's literally red paint. It's just so dirty from sitting up here and collecting dust from all different type of crap. Look at this crap. This is like ashes, boy. Man, this shit ain't finna come off. I don't even know why I just did that, boy. But yeah, though, y'all, so that's the update. I know y'all been asking about it. Today is June 8th. It should be done by the 12th. So, shoot. Once this, I'm gonna drop this maybe. I don't know, I might drop this like next week. But it should be done on the 12th. So, I'm gonna drop this if it's done Friday on the 12th. Then this video should be dropped probably on like the 17th, maybe 16th. I don't motherfucking know, but this video gonna be dropped maybe on like a Wednesday. So y'all gonna be seeing this when I got the car type shit. So yeah, man, this motherfucker should be done. So bro, this is just like a process. Like, I just hate processes where it's like it's nothing happening at all. Like, the car is just same state through a whole month, bro. It's like, bro, this car should not be in that same state through the whole month. So, should we just still just waiting, man? But it looked like finally he's going to be moving. So, he told me that it should only take until the 12th. So, shoot, that just gives him from Monday to Friday. So, Friday, we going to be expecting that motherfucker.